Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about text. So as you can see, I have this frame called desktop 1, and to access the text we can press T for shortcut. Our cursor is changed into plus icon, and if I click on the frame and type text in it like this. If you want, you can also copy paste your text by using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So this is the first method, that is selecting the text and click on the screen, and you will get this cursor and you can type whatever you want like this. And the second method is you can select text and you can draw the dimension according to your project like this. You can type whatever you want in this box. I'm going to just copy paste like this. If you want to adjust this text box, again you can access them by clicking on it and just adjust this according to your project like this. Let's say if you want to increase the font size of this text, you can select on it and then go to design panel, and you can see the text menu, and from here you can adjust the font, what kind of font do you want. Currently it is in Roboto, so if you want to change another font let's say Poppins, and you can just type in it and click on it, then it is going to change for you. If you want to search for different fonts, you can search in it. So for now I'm going to leave in the Poppins. So let's increase the size of the font up to 50. Let's say if you want to change your font regular to bold, you can change it from here. Currently it is in regular. You can go into this menu and you can just select bold, and you can see your text is changed into bold now. If you want, you can also use the shortcut called Ctrl and B to change your normal text into bold to unbold like this. We also get other options like extra line, thin, light, regular, medium, semi bold, extra bold, and black, and you can also choose this option if you want. The text is bold now. So as you can see, I have this paragraph, and let's increase the font of it. So select this paragraph, and currently the font size is 12, so let's make it up to 30. Okay, the font size is increased, so let's adjust this one. Okay, like this. Let's say I want to align this text at the center, so I can go to this menu. From here I can align my text towards the left, center, and right. So currently it is left, so let's align it into center. So you can see our text is aligned into center, and we can also align our text into right by using this button. So I like this, the left one, so I'm going to leave like this. Let's say if you want to add letter spacing, you can do that from here, and currently it is 0%, so I'm gonna increase up to 5, and you can see our letter spacing is added in this text. And if you want to add a paragraph spacing, you can add it from here. Currently it is 0, let's add up to 20, and you can see our paragraph spacing is added over here. You can also adjust this text according to your frame. Currently this is on the top. Let's say I want to adjust this text into middle, so I can choose this option called align middle. So my text will be aligned according to this text, and currently it is in middle. And we can also align according to top and also the bottom like this. Let's choose this one. From this advanced menu you can choose different options like alignment, decoration, paragraph indent, list style, letter cases. If you want to make your cases higher or bigger, you can also do that from here. And you can also see the preview of your text. So let's say I choose this center one, so you can see the preview for it. Currently it is in the left, so let's choose the center, and this is the right one, and this is the justified. And the from decoration, if you want underline to your text, you can add it from here. You can see the underline is added on your text. You can also add strike through in it. Choose this from the decoration menu, and you can see the text is now strike through. And we can also add the paragraph indentation. So currently it is 0, let's add up to 20, and you can see the indentation is added in our paragraph. And we can also add the bullet points dots and the list like this. You can see the dot is added over here, and if I choose the number 1, so you can see 1 and 2 is added over here. Let's say you copy pasted some text from the internet, and the alt text is in like a lowercase, and if you want to increase the alt text into like uppercase, you can change it from here by going from this lettercase menu and press this uppercase button. So you can see alt text is now in the uppercase, and you can also make them into lowercase again. And if you want to change into title case, you can also do it from here by choosing this title case menu. And from this section you can also adjust the numbers, and we get lots of options from here, but we are only interested in these options like alignment, decoration, paragraph indentation, list style, letter case and capital. Let's select this text. Let's add some color in it. So currently it is in solid, so if you want you can also make them gradient by using this linear. The first color is red, and let's make this color into like a purple like this, and let's increase the opacity up to full, and let's adjust this bar. So you can see the gradient is added on our text. So gradient effect is added on this text. So if you want to increase or decrease the opacity, you can adjust it from here. Let's say I want to like decrease the opacity up to like 50%. So you can see the opacity is decreased. Make it normal 100. And if you want to hide the text, you can like hide it from here like this. And if you want to like remove the effect, you can click minus button. So the text is gone now. So let's press Ctrl Z to undo this thing. And you can also add stroke in it. So if I click on the stroke, you can see the stroke is added on this text. If I zoom on this, you can see the stroke, and we can also change the color of the stroke, and you can also increase or decrease the opacity, and you can also increase the how much stroke do you want. By default it is 1, so let's choose up to 5, and you can see the stroke is now 5. And you can also change the position of your stroke, like currently it is outside, so you can choose inside or center. I think the outside looks cool, so I'm going to choose outside. So let's add some effect. So if I click on this effect, you can see by default the drop shadow effect is applied on it. You can see a little bit drop shadow on this text. If you want to make some changes, you can do it from here, like currently y is 4. If you want to adjust this y or x position of that drop shadow, you can do it from here. So currently y is 4, so let's choose up to like 10. The drop shadow is adjusted according to the y position, that is 10. And you can also adjust the opacity from here. By default it's 25, and I think it looks cool, so I'm gonna leave as it is. And we can also add other effects like inner shadow, layer blur and background blur. Currently I'm going to choose drop shadow. So those are all the options we get with the text. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.